Hey everybody, Joe Robinson here with Spencer's Ventura Mattress. Today I wanted to talk to you about something that I never really thought of. I asked Spencer, how's business going? And he said, well, you know, I've been making a lot of custom beds for RVs lately. And I was like, I knew he did that, but I didn't think, we haven't been promoting it. And apparently he's been getting a few calls every few days and pumping these beds out for custom RV beds, essentially. So Spencer, come on in here. I want you to share with our viewers about why this is such a hot item.
Yeah, well, right now, I think because of the pandemic, people have bought these sprinters. These van conversions are big right now. And a lot of my friends have bought them, and they want to travel the country and enjoy what nature has to offer.
So what kind of stuff do you guys make?
Oh gosh, every day it seems like I need a 6-inch mattress by this corner cut, that corner cut. It's got to fit our Mercedes Sprinter van exactly. And we do, I'd like to say almost one or two a day of those.
Now, do you also do older vans? And
van. I had a guy pull up the other day in a 1970 some odd year surfing van, and we really cool bed we made for him, and he's just happier than heck with this. I made it two-sided so you can flip it. Didn't have any cuts in it, but it was a custom size.
Very cool.
But just, Joe, I didn't know you didn't know about this segment of the industry. It's on fire right now, and it's busy. And I would love to do people's custom beds for them if they're interested. And it's people don't know that a mattress factory can actually do that, but we can do any size, any shape, any thickness, any material, and really design exactly what they need. So it's
so you heard it here from the man himself, and he actually does it himself. I was like, Spencer, why are you doing this? Why don't you? Because he has a couple bed makers that work for him, and the reason is he enjoys it.
I enjoy it. I do, and it's pretty intricate. It's intricate work because you're cutting and shaping corners. I mean, once you know the formulas, it's pretty simple, but it's a little more detailed. And I enjoy it. So yeah, if you're interested in an RV conversion mattress, please give us a call. It's Spencer's Ventura Mattress in Ventura. It's a factory, direct to the consumer. Just before we go on this though, the costing. People want to know price.
Oh, right.
You and I never bring up price.
Yeah, because sometimes people come in and they low. I don't like saying lowball, but they basically lowball Spencer, thinking he's going to do, because it's craft.
Yeah, they underestimate what it really is. They'll say, I just want a piece of foam. And first of all, foam isn't inexpensive anymore. It's gone up along with oil prices and everything else. So they'll say, I just want a piece of foam, and their expectations on a queen size crafted bed in there is $300. It's not that type of the segment I'm looking for. I want someone that wants good sleep, good quality materials. They're going to be in that to do a really nice bed in a Sprinter van or something. They'll be into that $1,000 to $1,500 range in price.
There you go, $1,000 to $1,500 range.
It's going to be beautiful.
If you're looking for a beautiful custom bed for your RV, your camper, or whatever, maybe your boat. He's done boats
a lot of
too.
Boats,
Spencer can do it. He can do it at a much more affordable price than anything else I've seen on the market.
Right.
So
no, they're beautiful. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see we have a lot on mattresses, on how to get good sleep. This is an educational channel, and where we also promote Spencer's Ventura Mattress and Santa Barbara Mattress here in Southern California, Ventura County and Santa Barbara County. Thank you.
Thanks, Joe. Appreciate that.